Let me ask you something. Do you like basketball? If you do, did you know that you can make money with NBA and affiliate marketing? Well, actually you can. This is the peak of NBA season. It is the finals of the playoff. It is between Golden State Warriors and Boston Celtics. I'm guessing Warriors will win in 7 games. This is what all the basketball fans were waiting since this beginning started in November, and that is the final of the playoff. And I was always talking about that you need to follow big trends, big events, big holidays, because everybody's doing marketing for you. And all you have to do is just jump in that ship, and you need to make a good plan and good strategy, and you can make good money. And like I said, because this is the final, it is the peak of the NBA season, it is also an NBA draft. So everybody's talking about NBA. You go on Instagram, everybody's talking about NBA. You go on Facebook, everybody's talking about NBA. Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, TV, radio, everybody's talking about NBA. Everybody's doing marketing for you. And like I said, all you have to do is just jump in that ship and you can make money. But to be honest with you, I probably should have made this video in April when playoffs started. But don't worry, there is one big sporting event this year, and that is Football World Cup, or as Americans call it, Soccer World Cup, and that is by far biggest sporting event this year. And if you are a beginner, this is the time when you need to start preparing for that big event. All of these big guys, all of these marketers, they will make a big money on that big event on Football World Cup. And they are starting preparations now in June so they can make money in December. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to start preparations now so you can make money in December. But we are not talking about football, we are talking about basketball and NBA. And actually I'm going to show you not one, not two, but I'm going to show you 3 free traffic sources that you can use to promote basketball related products. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Now, for this method, you don't have to choose niche because we have already chosen a niche, and that is basketball. But what you do need to do, you need to find products to promote. For this purpose, I'm going to use Clickbank. And because we are talking about basketball, what I need to do, I need to scroll here on the bottom and I need to click here on sports. And here I will get sport related products. And here you can see first product on the list is related to basketball. Here you can see vertical jump training. Many people, especially people like me, have problem with vertical jump. And here you can see I can make $40 on average per sale. Gravity is 28, which is decent gravity. But I actually know that this product is selling for a long time, and at one point, this was one of the best selling products on Clickbank. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their sales page in the new tab to check it out. And here you can see this actually looks like a good sales page, and actually there are some big names behind this product, which is always a good thing because that creates trust and also creates brand. And that means it is much easier to actually promote and sell these products if people have trust and if this is actually a brand, because people believe, people trust that product. So overall, this looks like a good product for me to promote. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called vocal.media. Now, vocal.media is exactly the same like medium.com, but unlike Medium, on Vocal Media is still ranking articles that contain affiliate links on Google. And just like medium.com, Vocal Media is absolutely free. It will cost you no money. So now you need to write a high quality article, and that is where many people, especially beginners, make mistake. They write an article with just one purpose, and that is to sell the product. And that is why many of those articles are marked as spam articles, and that is why many websites, many companies do not publish those articles, because those articles are sales articles. And I'm actually going to show you how a good article should look like, what a good article should contain. So first thing that you need to do, you need to add a title to your article, obviously. And that title should actually be a strong title, not a clickbait title, a strong title. And it should look something like this. So let me just click here. Okay. 5 home exercises to increase vertical jump to become more explosive. As you can see, this is a strong title, but it is not clickbait because you will show them 5 home exercises that can help them to improve their vertical jump. So it is a strong title, but it is not clickbait. That is really important. Next thing you need to do, you need to make a strong intro, just like strong title, but not clickbait intro, okay? You need a strong intro, something like this. So let me just remove this. And here you can see I'm actually calling myself on these people here and their research. And that automatically gives me more authority and more trust, because people will say, okay, this guy didn't just invent these things. He's actually doing this based on their serious research, and that research is done by serious people. And like I said, that automatically gives me more trust and more authority. And that is why you need to write a strong intro, but not clickbait intro. Okay, that is really important. Strong title and strong intro. Next thing you need to do, you need to actually answer some questions that these people have about vertical jump. And let me just, remove this. So you need to answer, why should they improve their vertical jump? How it will benefit them, and how can they do that? Those are the questions that most people have, and you need to answer on these 3 questions. And that is all in the first half of this article. After this part, you actually need to give them these 5 home exercises that can help them to improve their vertical jump. As you can see here, exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can add 5 exercises, add 5 exercises. 6, 15, 10, 15, 20, doesn't matter. And you actually need to add, and if you can add photos, and even better if you can find videos on YouTube for each of these exercises, that is even better. And now, after you added all of these here, now you need to actually recommend your affiliate product, okay? Recommend your affiliate product. And you cannot just go and say, buy this product, okay? You cannot do that. You actually need to recommend this product. So let me just unhighlight this. And here you can see, you can tell them to apply exercises that you just told them, as you can see here, or they can use the product that you are promoting, and you can explain them how that product, why they should use that product, how that product will benefit them, and how exactly that product works. And like I said, how exactly that product will help them with their problem. In this case, how that product will help them to improve their vertical jump. And you need to add your affiliate link. But this is really important, because we are publishing this article on vocal.media. You need to say on the bottom of the article that that article contains affiliate link. That is by the law. You need to say that by the law, okay? And that is how a good article should look like. This is all the things that a good article should contain, and this is how your article should look in order to avoid to be marked as spammer, in order to avoid for your article not to be published on these websites. You need to write like this. You need to write a high quality article that provides value, and then you need to, on the bottom of that article, you need to recommend your product. Like I said, you need to recommend that product. You should not sell it, but recommend it. So this is how your article should look like. Okay, so now when you have your article, now you need to start driving traffic to that article. You can drive paid traffic to your article, but I'm guessing that most of you wish to drive free traffic. So what you can do is you can come here on YouTube, and here in search bar you can simply type NBA, okay, and then click search. And here you will see there is lots and lots of real NBA related videos, and most of these videos are actually highlights. So what you can do is you can click here on filters, and then for example this week, and here you will see there is lots and lots of highlights about NBA, and some of these videos are getting lots and lots of views, 1.8 million views, 41,000 views in just 10 hours, 488,000 views in one day. These videos are hot. You need to start making highlights. And you are probably wondering, where can I find these videos to create these compilations, these highlights, right? Well, you can go on official NBA Instagram page. You can find lots of videos there. You can also go on official pages of these teams. In this case, Golden State Warriors and Boston Celtics. Also, you can start following some people who are in NBA niche and on Instagram. And there you can find lots and lots of videos. And you can use those videos to create highlights and start uploading those videos on YouTube. And like I said, as you see, these videos are getting lots and lots of views. But YouTube is kind of slow, so you basically wish to use this method to drive free traffic for the next season. Much faster way to get free traffic is actually Reddit. So when you come here on Reddit, here in search bar, what you can do is you can simply type, for example, NBA. And here you can see NBA, 4.8 million members. NBA 2K, that is a video game. NBA discussions, 162,000 members. And you can simply click here on NBA and then click here on communities. And here you can see NBA related subreddits. Here you can see NBA draft is also in June, and that is a big event. Warriors, 411,000 members. Golden State Warriors. Here you can see Dallas Mavericks, NBA memes, Miami Heat, and so on and so on. Also, what you can do is you can, here in search bar, you can type, for example, basketball, okay, basketball, and here you can see 372,000 members, 34,000 members, and so on and so on. And you can also just click here on basketball and then click here on communities, and here you can see lots of basketball related subreddits. And let me just open one of these, for example, basketball tips. That is great for us because we have article on how to improve your vertical jump. That is basically a basketball tips. And here you can see you can actually add a link to your article. But this is really important. What you need to do, you need to scroll here, and here you need to see, you need to read the rules. Each subreddit has its own rules, and your article should follow these rules for each subreddit. But this is the point. This is why we published our article on vocal.media, because we actually added two things. First, we added a big value, huge value in that article. And second, vocal media has a huge authority and lots of traffic, which means we don't own vocal media. And that automatically says that we are not spammers. And that is why our article will be approved. And this is a tip for you, so pay close attention. This is what I do. When I make a post on Reddit, I go and say my friends and family to go on Reddit and to give me upvote. And I get about 15 to 20 upvotes in next 10 to 15 minutes, which means I come to hot section. And hot section is where the traffic is. You wish to come in hot section because that is how you will get lots of traffic, by getting in hot section. And that is how I get in hot section. And if you provide good value in your article, then other people who are here in this subreddit, they will also give you upvotes. And that means you will stay longer in hot section and you will get even more free traffic. And this is targeted traffic because, as you can see, how to get better in basketball, and you gave them tips and advices how to get better in basketball, right? Another thing, another free traffic source that you can use is actually Quora. I like Quora because Quora will get you highly targeted traffic, because this is basically a search engine. So what you can do is, here in search bar, you can simply type vertical jump, okay, and then press enter. And then you can click here on questions, and here you will get vertical jump related questions. What is the best way to improve your vertical jump? Okay, what are some ways to increase my vertical jump at home? That is exactly what is our article about. How to improve vertical jump at home. This is perfect question for us. How do I increase my vertical jump for basketball? And so on and so on. So let me just open this first question here, okay, to check it out. And as you can see here, all of these answers, click here on more. Now, none of these answers is actually a high quality answer. You can surely provide a better answer on this question, okay? And if you do that, you will start getting upvotes, and your answer on this question will be a top answer, and you will get most traffic from this question here. And what you need to do, you need to go back here and you need to answer on all of these questions and provide good and quality answers, and your answers will rank as a top answers. And if you answer on 20, 30, 50 questions, trust me, you will start getting targeted traffic from Quora to your vocal.media article, and you will start making sales, because all of these are actually targeted traffic. They will get you highly targeted traffic and you will start making sales, you will start making affiliate commission. So this is how you make money with NBA basketball and affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.